everyone, welcome to AC3 family. How have you been? We recently went to see the Zoolights. Actually, I didn't make it at the time. It was my husband and the kid. And I got to see these videos I really wanted to share with you guys because they were really beautiful. Can we watch it now?
Yeah, we can definitely get into it. Santa's sleigh. What a beautiful butterfly.
Oh wow.
Super beautiful. View.
Oh, what's that? Is that
It's a squid on top of the building.
Oh, I thought there was an octopus.
There might be an octopus.
It must be really romantic if you go as a couple.
It's just like if you don't have food, I don't like you.
No food, not interested. Some of them have sweaters.
Look at that one.
Yeah, he looks ultra fluffy.
Oh my god.
And there's a full moon.
It really snowed that day.
Look how colorful this trail is. Look at all these spiders. Huge. But it was a way longer tunnel than I was expecting.
Oh yeah, it's quite long.
Oh, all these lights are so beautiful.
Oh, look at that sled.
Up there on the gift shop. Girls, what mountain is that? Oh man. There you go, smile. And then here at the theater,
What is
they
he
decorated
doing?
it so it looked like water, so she's swimming. And Christina's surprised seeing her swimming around like that. What animals do we have here?
Real penguins.
Penguins? Oh, where are they?
Me into the Christmas spirit.
Ooh, look at them. They look like statues.
Or some of them moving. Go, go! They're real, trust me. It's a rainbow.
Oh my god, they became caterpillar. You said that was chrysalis?
This is a chrysalis, and she has her little wings. What a beautiful butterfly.
Photos, photo bonding.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it.
Jellyfish!
The tapir is huge. That's right. The tapir. They're from Southeast Asia, and I thought they were only half this size.
Yeah, no.
He's gigantic.
They kind of look like little elephants.
Probably like 100 pounds at least.
Probably 2 or 3.
This is smart.
Oh wow, what's that?
Megalodon, aka the fish, is an extinct species of shark that lives
Over 50 feet?
16 million.
That thing could swallow you both whole.
And you,
Yeah.
a whole elephant with it.
Well, look at these polar bears. Oh, it's the North Pole. Hey, do you guys see Santa anywhere?
Penguins live on the South Pole.
Okay, come on out. Good job. All right, lead the way. Where's the van? Oh, it started snowing again. Wow, it's really coming down. So how was it overall, girls? Did you have a lot of fun?
That's the best way to escape a stressful school day.
Wow, it's starting to come down. Come on, girls, let's go find the van.
You guys went on the perfect day.
Every day up to that had just been rainy, so we lucked out and got some snow.
And girls got to bake cookies that night. You were sleeping then.
I tried them the next day and they turned out so delicious.
Oh, that's good. You got to try some.
And they weren't too sweet. I liked them. They get my seal of approval. That was a lot of dishes though.
Yeah, but I want you to do it right away though.
Did that cookie have something written on it?
Christina meets in a sleigh.
Oh, okay.
꾸미고 있는 거야, 쿠키?
네.
무슨 모양 만들어, 클레어?
스토킹.
응?
스토킹.
Stocking? What shape are you making? You're just decorating the green and the red? 빨간색, 초록색?
네.
크리스마스 뭐 꾸며요? 크리스마스 트리?
네. 나무.
예쁘게 장식해주세요.
나무.
나무.
How many cookies did you end up making?
I made about 20 and I put them in an individual bag and brought them to work, and all my coworkers absolutely loved them. By the time it was lunchtime, they were all gone. I didn't get to eat any.
You didn't even get to try.
No.
Oh well, in the spirit of giving, right?
Right. I was glad that everyone enjoyed them.
Oh, it's really pretty.
Thanks.